Hello guys, welcome back to the channel The Techie Guy, and this is the series of solving SQL 50 questions. We solved already one question. Coming to the second question, find customer referee. Coming here. So now find customer referee and table name is customer already. Column name and type ID int. Okay, now these are column names. If you don't know, there will be one table, only one table. Inside that there are three columns: ID, name, refer ID, and these are the data types of it. Okay, if you are having doubt, look, this is customer table, these are three columns and these are the values in it. Okay, IDs, that is always distinct because these are also known as primary key. Now Will, Jane, Alex, Phil, these are the names, and this is refer ID. What is refer ID? I will show you here. Now, in SQL, ID is the primary key, that is always unique, so no problem. Each row of this table indicates the ID of a customer, their name, and the ID of the customer who referred them. So the first row or every row will show the customer ID, the name of that person, and my refer. Like for example, I follow stock market, so I'm giving you an example. So my ID is 1 and my name is Will. Now here ID will be of my friend who referred me. For example, I am using Upstock, but he referred me. So his ID will come. For example, Alex referred me. So here 3 will come instead of this null. Okay. Now their name. Now what are our question? Find the names of the customers. Look, find the name of the customer. So we only need to find name that are not referred by the ID 2. Okay. So we don't, we only want that particular name which is not referred by this ID. Okay, where refer ID not equal to 2 only. So now the result, return the table in any order. They don't want any specific order. We can return anything. That means Will can come first or Alex come first. They don't even care. So it will work. So the result is in the following format. Now this, as I told you, ID should not be equal to 2. So don't worry. Look, these are not will be here. That means Alex and Mark will not be here in this list. We are left with Will is here, Jane is here, Bill is here, Jack is here. Okay, now one more thing, most of you thinks that you can clear those test cases just by printing their names. So this thing is not possible because this is just a reference, but when you run a code in some compiler or something, it tests multiple test cases, so maybe it got failed. So as I told you, I will use Oracle, so always Oracle, because it is the language which is used by many multinational companies that I am using. Either syntax is most probably same, just some function's name was different, like substr or substring. Okay, so select start from customers. Customers was the table name. We can see customers. Okay, full stop. Customers is the table name. Now we only want name here. Coming here, replacing this with name. Coming here, this semicolon is very important to end any command in Oracle. Okay, now where refer ID, who refer ID is not equal to 2, so you can use like this, not equal to 2. Now whether it will work or not, I also don't know since I didn't solve all these questions earlier. Okay, table or view does not exist. Okay, table or view does not exist. That means I choose wrong table name. Customer was the table name. I used as customers. Now we'll see. Okay, okay. Input is this, output is Jack only. Okay, where refer ID not equal to 2. Okay, not equal to 2. So all these, only Jack is coming. Why only Jack is coming? Because Jack is having ID as well. Okay, not equal to 2. Okay, so null is not coming. So we need to check one condition. Either one should be true. Then it will give. Should I give it as AND? or if one condition will be true it can give, but not equal to 2 and or. So it is not showing null. Then what I can do best here is I can replace this thing. Okay, so now here is also Jack is coming in my output. Now what I need to do, I need to modify my query to this so that refer ID null is also be fine. Okay, so now if refer ID is not equal to 2, one thing, and wait a minute, should I use or? But if I use or, this condition will be true and I am not able to this thing. How I can take this as null values I also want. Okay, and I can use and. If I uses and, so it should be both as true. Okay, now both cannot be true, and if either thing is not equal to null, if something is as null, how should I use this? Okay, sorry, if I do this maybe it will work. We hit bullseye. Okay. So null we can't compare by equal, we need to check by is. So this is the case where we are wondering. Now reference ID is either null or does not equal to 0. It is working. Now submitting this question. Finally it got accepted. Okay, now it is taking me time because I didn't solve any of the questions I am doing in one go. If I am for example, if I know how to solve, I can do and will try, then we'll find the solution will come. Either I just thought one thing and it worked. Okay, so okay, bye, see you in the next video.